So I'm just doing light makeup as I that's intense as I set up for today. I'm trying to use, I think she has like a viral thing. She's been having cut out for a couple of days. Our pediatrician prescribed those already. Hi guys, do it. So guys, this weekend is Chrisland, 12-year-old child that died. It's our sports session in our school in Chrisland. It's so sad. So sad. I mean, I was discussing with my family friend yesterday, and it recommended that they just had to go and do autopsy, and which, I guess parents are already doing. I just watched the parents on Your View, and the mother really narrated what happened, and I watched that video, but I couldn't even watch it because I was so pissed. Like just like that, 12-year-old girl is gone, and school is not even responding as they should. How will I just back at that? Do you know what it means to really raise up a child? I mean, the time each child is a part of your life, and then in a circumstance that looks so mysterious, child died. When I was talking about the child's lips and mouth being black, and, so sad, so sad. I know nothing can really bring back the child, but it will also be good that they really get results. And I mean, so sad, so sad. I mean, yesterday we like I said, we went to see a family friend, and we saw Pisca's pediatrician, and Pisca has had like this very funny kata for a while. It just comes and goes, and I was telling my husband that that this kata is still there, but it just comes and goes. So I didn't really think much of it, and immediately the pediatrician said it, she was like, "We need to get drugs for this girl, or like it could be an infection and everything." And I was like, thank God we came here, thank God. But thankfully we were able to get drugs for her, and something that looks very simple like that. I'm not trying to relate it to what happened, but I was just like, oh my God, it's 12-year-old. She probably maybe be in just 2 or just 3, so many future ahead, so many plans. So sad, guys. You guys are doing well. This is okay. She's going, yeah, let's go. Yeah, come outside. Let's go. It's good. is Valentine's Day. Today is Tuesday, and it's currently about 1 p.m. There's a couple of work this morning. I'm trying to be done. I'm back for Priska is almost. I don't know if I can eat too much, but I'll try. So this is what I look like. Outfit check, check, check. Out with our Priska. What are you going to buy for Priska? We buy burger for her. She do that. She do. We're back home. We also picked pescato as well. It was really nice. The ambience was okay. The food was good, but it was quite spicy. Like the fish was quite spicy. What I didn't like was it really took a long time. The drinks we ordered took about 20 minutes before it got. The food took about an hour before it came. And my fries was, I didn't really enjoy the food too much, but the fish was very okay. I personally don't really like Kuka because he has a lot of bones, but generally it was fine. But anyway, we're back to regular schedule. So right now I'm trying to boil pepper. And start my evening routine. Just clear up stuff, arrange and prep for tomorrow. So guys, I tried to oven toast my pepper before blending it. Says to give it that smoky. I think I've seen me do this and chili it as well. So I'm really trying to do this. I'm not now sure. I don't think it really dried very, very, very well. But just, oops. Let's keep trying it. I don't know if I will add water to it. Morning guys, so today is Monday. Today is Thursday, midweek. I'm at school.